Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I'd request you to please click on the subscribe button before continuing with this video. For today's recipe, I'm going to take a kadai and to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. After adding the oil, I'm just going to wait for the oil to become nice and hot. If the oil is hot enough, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Along with that, I'm going to add 2 cloves. After adding the cumin seeds and cloves, I'm going to add 2 sliced medium-sized onions. After adding the onions, I'm going to saute this well for 3 minutes on medium flame. After frying it for about 3 minutes, I'm now going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to the dish. After adding the ginger garlic paste, I'm going to stir it and let it cook for about 30 seconds. After mixing it for 30 seconds, I'm now going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, along with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of coriander powder. After adding these spices, I'm then once again going to stir it well. After 20 seconds, I'm then going to add 1 potato to the dish. After adding the potato, I'm going to mix it with the onions. After mixing the potatoes with the onions, I'm then going to add 2 medium-sized tomatoes to the dish. I'm then going to stir it really quickly and I'm going to ensure that I cook all of this on medium flame. I've been frying these vegetables for about 2 minutes now. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some cut cauliflower. I'm then going to stir this well with the rest of the vegetables. For stirring it, I'm going to add salt as per taste. And then mix it and let it fry for 1 minute. After letting it fry for 1 minute, I'm now going to add 3/4 glass of water. Now after adding 3/4 glass of water, I'm going to cover the pan with a lid and leave it for a duration of 4 minutes. After about 4 minutes, I've now removed the lid. I'm going to just stir it once. And after that, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Along with the garam masala powder, I'm also going to add some fenugreek leaves, also known as kasuri methi. Also, this is optional, but you could also add some asafoetida powder to it, which will really add to the taste. I'm then going to stir these spices with the vegetables well. Also do note that while adding the ingredients, I've switched the flame to low flame. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch it back to medium flame. I've been frying it for 2 more minutes now. And now what you can do is you can now switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So lastly, you can just add some coriander leaves here to garnish. So if you did like this recipe, I really request you to please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.